Hello everyone. If you want to create a WhatsApp account without using your personal phone number, this method can make the process very simple. In this video, I'll show you how you can use an online verification service to receive an SMS code and create a WhatsApp account step by step. The link to the website I'm using will be available in the video description. Once you open the website, the first step is to create an account so you can access all of the available services provided on the platform. After signing in, you will see different categories and services available on the dashboard. These services include SMS verification, email verification, and registrations for different applications and platforms. Now from here, click on All Services so you can see the complete list. You will also find a search option at the top that allows you to quickly find the service you want to use. In this case, we will type WhatsApp in the search bar. After searching, WhatsApp will appear in the list of services. Along with the service name, you will also see the price for using a virtual number for verification. The next step is to choose the country. The platform provides numbers from many different countries, so you can select the country depending on your preference or availability. Once you select the country, click on Get Code. After clicking this option, the system will generate a virtual phone number for you. This is the number that will be used to receive the WhatsApp verification code. Now, copy this number and open WhatsApp on your phone. Enter the number on the WhatsApp registration screen and tap Next to continue with the verification process. WhatsApp will now attempt to send a verification SMS to that number. At this point, go back to the website and open the SMS or Messages section. Within a few seconds, the verification code sent by WhatsApp should appear there. Once the code appears, copy it from the website and return to WhatsApp. Paste the verification code into the required field. If everything is entered correctly, WhatsApp will automatically verify the number and your account will be created successfully. As you can see, the process is very simple and does not require your personal phone number. By following these steps, you can easily receive the verification code and complete the account setup. If you want to try this method yourself, you can find the website link in the video description. Thanks for watching.